Good afternoon, everyone. We're at the Darmody job over in the beautiful beach walk. Going to give you a quick overview of this beautiful project. I want to we started out picking out some beautiful glacier pavers and our signature 6x9 border. Beautiful screen room. As you can see, we did a gable roof, modified hip, and going back to a flat roof. We did the expanded view. That way there's no uprights to obstruct the lake view. Then we come into our beautiful outdoor kitchen area, American made Delta heat, 32 inch. Open the hood on this beauty. Customer elected to get the drop-in searing burner. We love that. That's my favorite accessory. Lights in the grill, of course, and lights on the bezels. Then we constructed this big backsplash. This was not here. This is a TV wall that we put in. All this beautiful tile. Put the little screen up there so we can get the to vent the smoke out from the grill. And a beautiful, I tell you, this granite is just beautiful. It's almost cool to the touch. It's not going to get hot like some granite. It's got a leather finish, not our typical gloss finish. Special order stuff. And beautiful tile. It's got like a texture on the tile. It's a beautiful tile. Everything just feels modern, contemporary, just like the subdivision. I just love it. Matt, what do you think?
Very good job.
Hey, and we thank you for your business, sir. This man was very patient. This granite took a long time to come in. I was chomping at the bit to get it done, but you can't rush perfection sometimes. So it did take a little bit longer than expected, but the end result, as you can see, is beauty. You guys have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next one.